Today on BrunerTuner, see us transform and upgrade the Subaru Outback from its tired and worn out seat covers and stock seats to a virtually new looking, premium feeling interior, thanks to our friends down at Coverado. So we'll be installing these Coverado Napa Leather Full Seat Covers. I chose these ones as they will be a great match for the interior, and the diamond stitching and padding reminds me a lot of something like a new Genesis interior. Here you'll see a very simple, and I do mean simple, man enjoying the finer details of these covers. We'll start by making sure all the pieces are in the kit, and then reviewing the instructions for installation. Using these simple plastic pieces known as chucks, we'll start by attaching these to the anchor straps. These chucks are simply designed to be passed through to the backside or underneath of the seats to hold them in place. Removing the headrest cover, we'll then slide the seat back covers over the back of the seat. Once that's achieved, we'll slide the chucks through to the back side of the seat to hold them firmly in place. The next bit of kit we're using are these metal anchor hooks. These will go under the seat and grab onto either the seat brackets or seat cushion supports to further keep the seat covers from moving. We'll then put on the front seat headrest covers and slide those over. Using the same method as we did with the seat back covers, we're going to attach these in the front with the metal anchors and then use chucks and a combination of side straps to secure the bottom seat cover. With the front covers done, we'll move on to the rear seat. With the rear seats, some cars may require you to lift up the seats out of their retaining clips. This is actually incredibly simple if you need to do it, as they pull up directly out of the clips. I found it easier to pull the seat cushions out of the car and attach the covers with them outside. The rear seat bottoms are extremely easy to do, as they have straps that go from front to back and then chucks that go underneath the seat once installed. Again, one of the nice things about these kits is they all include instructions, as sometimes you can get a little bit lost in the weeds. So here I am taking a moment to familiarize myself with how the rear seat cover goes in. With the installation of the seat backs and the seat bottoms done, let's go ahead and throw the rear seat cushions back in. rear seat covers have these nice zippered portions that allow for you to zip them up tight to the stands of the headrest, closing any kind of visible gap. Lastly, we'll cap off the headrest with these headrest covers that just snap into the back with these S-hooks. I want to thank you all for watching this video, and a big thanks to Coverado for providing us with these seat covers. They've been a great partner to the channel, so please consider their products if you'd like to help support us as well too. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.